How to fix WhatsApp screen goes black when playing WhatsApp voice message. So if you want to fix WhatsApp screen goes black when playing WhatsApp voice message, then let's fix that problem. So what you need to do is, this is because there is something which is interfering with the proximity sensor of your device. So the first thing that you have to check is if you have used a screen guard. Then remove the screen guard or the screen protector, because sometimes some screen protectors might cause issue with the proximity sensor. The other thing is, if you're using a cover to protect your Android device, make sure that the cover is not covering the proximity sensor. Also, the other thing that you have to take care is, when you're playing your voice message, make sure that your finger is not covering the proximity sensor. So after you've done all of these fixes, and if that still doesn't fix your problem, and if you think that the application itself has some problem in it, then what you can do is you can just simply go with your settings, or just simply tap and hold on to your WhatsApp for a few seconds. Tap on app info. Under the app info, you need to just go with storage, which is on the top, and here you will have cache. So tap on cache and then clear the cache. After clearing your cache, your problem might be fixed. You can tap on clear data, which is on the bottom, and then tap on clear cache and tap on OK. And once you clear your cache, your problem might be fixed. If that doesn't fix your problem, then the next thing you need to do is you need to open up your Play Store. On your Play Store, you need to go with your search and search for WhatsApp. After searching, if you have any updates under your WhatsApp, then you just need to simply go and update your WhatsApp. After updating, your problem will be fixed. So that's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.